Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.
Now we're getting serious now. Just want to wash my fork. Woo. Well, underneath this lounge, I have a surprise. Take pillows off, cushion off. Come on, cushion. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Throw it on the bed and lift the lid. And what do we have here? Ah, a microwave hiding there. A microwave. Woohoo! Beautiful.
Gotta get on the road, get on the road, get on the road. Yeah, gotta stay awesome.
So what do we have here? We've got a microwave. It's 700 watts. It's less, draws less power than the toaster. Oh, that's amazing, isn't it? But we're going to have U-foods, which are in the fridge. So let's have a look down here in the Glacio fridge. And we've got some treats down the bottom. Grab one of these. Here we go. What are we having? Slow cooked barbecue beef and mash. Beautiful. This is going to be a simple meal called U-Foods. They cost $7.50 at the. They're really garage food, really. So we're not being master chefs here today. We're just being convenient and simple with less washing up. Okay, here we go. Let's cook. So here we have U-Foods. Look at that. Veggies and everything, healthy. In the microwave. Now this is the part that gets me every time. Trying to read. Okay, what have we got? 1 minute there. Let's jack a potato. Let's try that one. Alright, so she's working away, hasn't missed a beat. Look at that sink. I've got an Undermount sink I built. That's to give a little bit more room. I see some people have the top here. Oh, I can put stuff inside there to make that flat, you know, have more work area. That's not hard at all. Oh, here we go. Done. Moment of truth. Oh, that's piping hot. Have a look at that. That's the money shot, that one. Woohoo! Dinner time. Lammy. Bon appetit. Now look at that. Look at that. Just a bit of a test here with the fork. Oh, look at that meat. This is U-Foods. It's quite tender. Look at that. I just shook it and there's a mouthful. Oh. That is beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. So there you go. There's one tip for you. If you're going to cook in the van and you're not Ian Parmenter, you're Gary Parmenter, well, you grab a U-Foods. Lammy. If you want to know what lammy means, it's Filipino for yummy. So nice. Oh, this is awesome around here. Great spot to be. And yeah, there's plenty going on, I tell you. So there we have the toaster out of the box. Obviously We won't want to be cooking any cardboard in there, will we? Pull that out. That's that done. Okay, looking very nice there. Got the feeling this thing's going to chew the power though. Got the feeling. Okay, let's have a look here. There's all your dials, preheat, defrost. Okay. Okay, looks like it's going to work all right. Okay, we've got the 240 volts, and it's all been put in properly in the van. It's all got trip switches and everything installed by Andy, the electrical contractor, who was in one of my previous videos on getting wired. There's the toaster plugged in, power's on. Ooh, moment of truth here, moment of truth. Ooh, can hear some. Now this wouldn't be so unique, except we're doing it inside a van. So, as you can see, I've still got to finish a few things off in this van, but oh, look at that, there's the power. And we can see there we've got 12.9 volts at the moment going through. We'll see if that drops. Gee, this thing is a bit of a power guzzler by the looks of it. I imagine it could be up to 2000 watts of power. We've got 25 amp fuses in the control panel back there in the engine room. They haven't flicked off yet. So, it's looking good. It's looking real good. Don't even look what setting I had that on, but anyway. It's definitely working, as you can see, and that's with a 3000 watt inverter. I have 200 amp hour of lithium batteries, so quite a good little setup. I wouldn't mind an extra 100 amp hour, but you know what, I've never run out. I have stuff going 24/7 in this van. But I also have DC to DC Renogy battery monitor or controller or regulator, and I also have an Apiva 40 amp for the solar panels. I've got 2 solar panels on the roof. I have the MAXX air fan going now, a little bit of heat coming off this toaster. There we go, look at that. There's the toast. And there's, look, we're down to 13 volts we are now. We've actually gone up, I don't know how, but there we have it. Toast, all done in the Renault Master. Next I'm going to butter and we'll show the toasted Vegemite sandwiches. Yeah, you've got to be a real chef to cook that, don't you? A real master chef. This is a bit of a sacrilegious way of an Aussie doing Vegemite, because in this one it comes out like toothpaste, which is not normal, but it's very convenient when you're in a van. Look at that. Vegemite sandwich. Woohoo! All right. Bon appetit. Beautiful. I feel like Johnny, was it? What's his name? Oliver. He always says everything's beautiful after he's made it.
Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay
That is so nice. So, that's the Vegemite sandwich out of the way. That's the toaster out of the way. Next, it's the microwave. And it's going to be a U-Foods meal. I've got a couple of them in the fridge. I'm going to heat them up in the microwave. Yummy. This is the way to do it. Silvertail's humbugging. Silvertail wants to have some Vegemite. Get away, Silvertail. Up you go, you good doggy. But no Vegemite for you today.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life.
All right.
Hey you,
Time to
stay
clean
awesome.
up.
Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey,
I'm starting to wake up. Oh, gee, that was a big time, eh? That was a big effort.
got to stay
Now it's
awesome.
time to decide what the next chapter in this Byron Bay visit will be. Stay awesome.